Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara.
And I am Yumyan. We are the co-sisters for today's vlog. Ayan, sabahan niyo naman kami sa day in our life dito sa Korea. And this is our second day in Chunggu.
Chongju City, Yumina Chonggu. Makasonggud jud imong ilongming. This is our second day in Korea and our Korean uncle pick up us.
At nagsama kami sa work ng apa namin. At nag-visit kami sa chair factory. Nag-check sila ng chair at design kung ano ba yung maganda para sa gagawin ng coffee shop. And dahil tapos na kami and next naman we went to the big coffee shop. Sobrang laki at sobrang nice ang place dito. Kaso sarado pa sila kasi early pa. 8 a.m. kasi kami nag-visit dito guys. I want to go pee na but sarado pa sila. Hindi ako makatoilet. Kaya sabi daw ni Appa, pagpunta na lang kami dito sa bus stop. At dito na lang kami kumain at nagkape sila. And nag-order kami ng fish cake. At si Mami naman ng crab fish cake. Sobrang sarap naman to guys at sobrang laki. And naubos ko pala ito and I tell Appa I want to buy again. We went to toy machine. Our Korean uncle gave us Korean coins. Sinamahan pala kami ng samchon namin. At ang dami namin nakuha ni ate. May bata na naman masaya at mayroon maganda smile. While Appa is buying pasalubong for our auntie. At nag-open na kami ni ate ng toys kasi dugay siya. Fast forward and we arrive here in Chungju. Dito sa place ng samchon namin. Medyo malayo pala. Yung bahay niya 1 hour din. Yung travel namin mula sa hotel. And dahil lunch na, we eat here in Korean buffet. And meron pala sila ng indoor playground dito. At nag-start na kami kumain. And Mommy get fresh spicy crab pala guys. And masarap daw. And si ate naman na uhaw. That's why ate get ice cold. And ate Ara try to eat kiwi. May balat pa yan te. Fast forward. After namin mag-lunch, we are here in bodega pala ng shoes. Business pala to ng friend ni Appa. Ukay pala to guys. Pang gusto nyo mag-order ng shoes. Mga second hand. But still good pa to. Mga branded kasi po to guys. Me and ate is choosing shoes but wala pala yung size ko. Si ate lang. Sayang naman but okay lang. Transition at nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Kahit may araw pa, 6:30 p.m. na nga guys. Ito pala yung pag-summer sa Korea. At nandito na kami sa table namin. At kakainin naman namin yung samgyupsal. Our uncle is starting to order na. While ako naman, I'm playing with the baso. Joke, but naglagay lang ako tubig diha guys. At naluto na yung samgyupsal namin ni ate. Nag-start na kami kumain kasi wala pa yung rice namin. At napasok pala ako dyan guys. Sarap kasi ng food nila. Kaya nagdami ako kumain. At si ate naman nahirapan sa chopstick. Pag kinidor na lang diha, te. Maglisod-lisod pa ka.
Storya lang, Ming, ayoko suko. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Please like, follow, and share po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!